28, 2011. We have a badass blizzard going on here. Right there, my house. Zero visibility at times.